Hello and welcome to Frost Ninja. Welcome to another episode of Frost Ninja. Today we're going to talk about ViewSonic Elite, the XG270QG, 27-inch, 1ms, 165 Hz, one of the best gaming monitors right now. Yes, it's not 4K. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox it right now and then I'm gonna give you a full brief. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it now as we have been talking about it. Alright, let's see. The packing really looks good, strong. Alright, this is the wire for the PC. I'm not a PC user, I'm a console user. So it's good stuff, but it's not good for me, but still for people who use PC. Okay, this is the power cable. It's the 3-hole one. The power cable, yes, it's available. It's a good one. This is the adapter. Yes, this is the adapter. The power cable for the monitor. You have to plug it and then you connect this with it so that it gives you the full access. There is more. Okay, this must be, this is also for the PC wire. Another power cable if you're using a different type of the plug. You can use the triple one. I think it's the American version. Yeah, this is the American version. How to do your stuff and how to study with. How the hell will I remove this now? Okay, this is going to be a little bit tricky. Looks like it's coming out. I think I have to do it a little bit this side just to get it out. Yes. Just gonna remove it. I don't think after this anyone is going to ask me for unboxing anything. Okay, finally we removed it. I started sweating. Too much work for me, you know. From the city I'm very lazy. Okay, I think I should move this. Yeah, there is a tape over there. Good. Okay, these are the wing sheets, you know, for the side of the monitor. I know about it. This is the other one. Have a proper look. It comes on the screen from both sides. Let me just, like, this will be the monitor. It will come like this somehow. For you guys it will be like this. Look at it, it's coming exactly like that. I'll fix everything, I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, this is the stamp, the lower part. Wherever you want, then you can fix it with here. You can just screw it inside. There is a place for the monitor. Who's This is from this side or that side? Let's see. It's so heavy. Okay. Well, is this another stand? Yeah, this is another stand. Let's see how is it. Let's see, come on. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. So the screen comes over here. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, this one comes like this. It comes inside this one. The screen will come over here. Let me give it a look. Okay, this is done. It comes like this. Yep. It looks very beautiful. Some sexy shit, you know. The final part we have all been waiting for, to see how does it look in real life. I really haven't seen one. Okay, I don't know what was this. It just came up. I hope it's not broken. Let me remove it. I'm not gonna keep you guys anymore. Well, this is it. I haven't seen it from front myself. It's good. It's a full screen. Nice. It's frameless. Looks like that. Yeah. The frame is very, very thin. It's very beautiful. So let's see, how do we get it up here? Okay, it has a plug. Okay. This one is for okay, this is just a cover. If you're not going to use or something, you can use the cover. I believe, yes, it's just a cover. So we're not gonna use it for now. Let me fix the wing. Okay, this is the pretty. Yep. Is it from here? Yeah. Okay. It should be like that. Okay, got it. There is 2 screws actually. You need to make it like tight to keep it up there. So I'm not gonna do the screw right now. I'm gonna leave it. But I can show you an example of how it will look like. I'm just gonna keep it like this so you all can see it. It will be something similar to this. Just move my position. It will be something similar to this. I don't prefer it like this. I prefer the normal screen because it's not necessary to put this, but if you're looking for a design or something, you can put some LED lights and all this stuff back. Go for it. Everyone has their personal thing. Like if you like it, you put it. You don't like it, don't put it. But for me, I prefer it simple. I like it simple. The color at the back can be changed to whatever you want. As you can see, the LED at the back is really good, and the frame from front as well. It looks really nice and it's very smooth. Well, let's see. This is the menu of the screen, as you all can see. Whenever I put it on the console, it just goes smaller. I have no idea why, but this is how it is. And when I bring it back to Battle Royale, it just covers the whole thing. I thought the problem is only with the Battle Royale game, but no, when I go in the main menu of the PlayStation, it does not support. Even movies it does support, but some of the other stuff, as you can see on the screen, doesn't support. If you are like into making your own customized, then you can make it on ultra response time and all the stuff. It's there on the customize, but I prefer you to play on the whatever setting they have given you. Yes, you can go a little bit higher or lower, but remember, it does not support HDR. It only supports 1080, but no HDR. And I'm gonna talk to you about the volume. The volume is actually very good. It's like loud. I was not expecting it to be very loud, but it is loud. Not very loud, but it's okay. I'm just gonna play a video for you so you can hear it all. Now that we have heard the sound, now it's time to review the specs. It's 1ms 140p. In a PlayStation it supports till 1080p, and it's a 27-inch monitor with 165 Hz, which a PlayStation only can take 60 Hz. If you're using a PS5, then 120 Hz. So it means a strong PC, but no HDR, no 4K, no. There are many things which are missing actually. Overall, it's a very good monitor. So I'm gonna rate it a solid 7.5. If you like the video, leave a like, leave your comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos to review and more gaming videos.